job, Olivia. You did great too, sir. Thanks so much.
No, you
Enjoy.
got it.
I want to try on this side. It's funny. Don't take her. That never works. I'm just teasing. We are going to give you your money back. In fact, I always stand on a little parrot trust. I keep forgetting all my wristbands. Here we go. We'll give you this one right on my wrist again. There we go. Feeling our wristbands today. Go ahead and stand up for me. Hold your arm out to the side. There we go. Just put it in your hand. Just wrap your fingers around it. Just like that. Sorry, one chance. I'm just teasing. Go ahead and hold your arm out. Palm facing the sky. She'll put it in your hand. There we go. Wrap your fingers around it. Good job. Thank you very much. You're an excellent volunteer. And Olivia, you did great too. We'll see you later, sweetheart. And yeah, hopefully that wristband makes up for all that gunk on your dollar. Sorry about that. That'll be all right. Now, we have the star of the show coming up next. And if any of you have ever heard a parrot talk before, it might surprise you to hear that talking for a parrot is kind of a natural behavior. But they're not talking the same way that you and I do. What they're doing is copying or mimicking the sounds that they hear in their environment.